Hello friends. Today we are going to learn about a leader who is shaping the future of his city. His name is Chokwe Antar Lumumba. He was born in 1983 and he is the mayor of Jackson, Mississippi. You might wonder what a mayor does or why someone like Chokwe Antar Lumumba is important. Well, mayors help guide the rules, services, and dreams of their cities. They make decisions about schools, roads, parks, and even water systems. But what makes Chokwe Antar Lumumba's story special is not just his job. It is how he uses his life to work for fairness, justice, and community power. So let's dive into his story together. Chokwe Antar Lumumba was born on March 29, 1983 in Jackson, Mississippi. He grew up in a family that cared deeply about fairness and justice. His father, Chokwe Lumumba, was also a lawyer, an activist, and later the mayor of Jackson. His mother, Nubia, also believed in fighting for what was right and supported her family. From the time he was young, Chokwe Antar Lumumba learned the importance of loving his community and standing up for others. He was raised in a household where history was taught around the dinner table. His family shared stories about the struggles of African Americans, the fight for civil rights, and the importance of building strong neighborhoods. This gave him a foundation of pride and responsibility that he carried into adulthood. Chokwe Antar Lumumba worked hard in school and grew into a thoughtful young man. He went on to study at Jackson State University, a historically black university in his hometown. After graduating, he continued his education at the Thurgood Marshall School of Law in Houston, Texas. This school is named after the first African-American justice on the United States Supreme Court, which made it an inspiring place for a future lawyer. In law school, he learned not only about legal rules but also about how those rules could be used to help people. He realized that the law could either protect or harm communities, and he wanted to use his skills to make sure the law served the people. After earning his law degree, Chokwe Antar Lumumba returned to Jackson to work as an attorney. He focused on civil rights and criminal defense cases. This meant he defended people in court who did not have a strong voice and fought for those whose rights had been denied. He followed in his father's footsteps, continuing the family tradition of using the law as a tool for justice. He became known as someone who not only fought hard in the courtroom but also cared deeply about his clients. He listened to their stories and worked to make sure they were treated fairly. In 2013, Chokwe Antar Lumumba's father was elected mayor of Jackson. His father dreamed of making Jackson a model city for fairness, equality, and community involvement. Sadly, his father passed away in 2014 while still in office. This was a very difficult time for Chokwe Antar Lumumba and his family, but it also inspired him to continue his father's work. He decided to run for mayor himself in 2014 but did not win that election. Instead of giving up, he kept serving the community and preparing for the future. His persistence and dedication showed that leadership is not only about holding office but about never quitting on the people you care for. In 2017, Chokwe Antar Lumumba ran for mayor again. This time he won. He became the youngest mayor in Jackson's history. When he gave his victory speech, he called himself the son of the movement. This meant that his victory was not just his own, but belonged to the community that believed in fairness and justice. As mayor, he promised to make Jackson the most radical city on the planet. He did not mean radical in a scary way. He meant it in a way that focused on bold change. He wanted to build a city where people were treated fairly, where voices were heard, and where everyone had a chance to succeed. One of the main goals of Chokwe Antar Lumumba's leadership has been giving power back to the people. He has promoted the idea of people's assemblies. These are meetings where everyday citizens can share ideas, concerns, and solutions for their neighborhoods. This way, decisions are not only made in City Hall but also in the hearts and minds of the community. Another important focus of his leadership has been improving Jackson's infrastructure. Like many older cities, Jackson has struggled with problems like potholes, water system breakdowns, and lack of investment. Chokwe Antar Lumumba has worked to bring resources and attention to fix these issues, though the challenges are very big. He has also worked on programs that promote economic justice. This means creating opportunities for local businesses, supporting workers, and making sure resources are shared more fairly. Being mayor is not easy, and Chokwe Antar Lumumba has faced many challenges. Jackson has dealt with serious water crises where families could not rely on clean drinking water. There have also been struggles with poverty, crime, and disagreements about how to fix problems. Instead of giving up, he has tried to bring people together. He has spoken about the need for unity, for hope, and for creative solutions. He has worked with local leaders, national organizations, and the federal government to find answers. His leadership has shown that solving problems takes patience, courage, and teamwork. Chokwe Antar Lumumba is more than just a mayor. He is a symbol of what it means to carry forward the dreams of past generations while building a new future. He has inspired young people to believe that they can shape their communities too. His vision is one where fairness, justice, and community power guide the city's choices. His story reminds us that leadership is not only about one person. It is about all of us working together. Whether it is through voting, speaking up, or lending a hand to a neighbor,